If you want to know where you can find CapCut templates, just keep on watching because we prepared a step-by-step tutorial for you. Now, there are two ways as to how you can find templates on CapCut. The first option is to first open your CapCut application on your phone and make sure that you are logged in. At the bottom part of your screen, you'll see different options such as Edit, Template, Inbox, and Me. Just click the template icon and you'll see here different options for CapCut templates. Just click the one you like and you'll instantly have a template for your CapCut videos. You can also utilize the search template button or the search tab button to search for a particular template that you want to use, or if you saw something on TikTok that you want to recreate. If this doesn't work for you, you can also go to Google and simply search CapCut templates to see and to discover new or entertaining templates that you can use for your own videos. Once you press the results, you'll immediately see different types and genres of templates that you can use on your own. That's all for this video, and it's easy as 1, 2, 3. If this video helped you, don't forget to press like, subscribe, and the notification button. We hope to see you again next time.